Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2004 to 2008 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove your bed out of the way. Cut off the factory spare tire plates and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame for your rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Be careful not to grind through your cross members. Then, spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take the largest of your replacement spare tire plates and hold it up to your forward and rear spare tire cross members. Use the factory part silhouette to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your spare tire plate onto the frame before welding it on fully. Then, take the smallest of the two plates and hold it up to the front of your forward spare tire cross member. Once you have your plate in place, tack weld the plate into place before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your bed. Then you're done.